Hey everyone, we have this Deebot brand robot cleaner, so let's check it out. This model is Deebot N30 2-in-1 robot vacuum cleaner and mop. MRP is 59,999, but on Amazon we got it with 60% discount for just 23,999, and link is given in the description box. The dimensions are given on your screen and it comes with 1 year of warranty. It's lightweight, only 3.85 kg. It comes in a sleek white color and looks premium. It has this 10,000 PA suction capacity and also 5,200 mAh battery and a runtime of 300 minutes on a single charge. And it does both vacuum and mop together in one go. From fine dust to large hair, debris, it pulls everything easily. For a 1,000 square feet house, it takes only 8 to 10 minutes. And its obstacle detection is millimeter level, so it does not bump into your furniture. It turns away on its own. And it can easily climb over thresholds and carpet up to 20 mm. And you can fully control it using their app, adjust suction power, set schedule and more. It creates a complete map of your house in the app, then cleans everything automatically and returns to the charging dock. Overall, I'm really happy with the product. So if you're looking for a reliable and smart robot vacuum, definitely give this a try and subscribe for more. Bye bye.